Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading for $20,552. We're deep in the crypto bear market of 2022. We're having a red year in the crypto market. If we go on the weekly time frame, we have been seeing signs of life in the altcoin market. But should we start buying more Bitcoin right now? Is Bitcoin ready to pump to higher prices? We'll be taking a look at the Puell Multiple in this video. This indicator has predicted the previous bottoms of Bitcoin bear market. Will it be right this time? We'll be taking a look at what Bitcoin price has been doing anytime the Puell Multiple gets to this green region. We'll be talking about whether this is the best time to buy Bitcoin long term or we should be waiting for lower prices. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long term investing or trading in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is up 6.4% in the last 1 week and it's still up 6.4% in the last 1 month. The drawback to that is that in the last 1 year, Bitcoin is down 67.7%. While deep in the crypto bear market of 2022, Bitcoin and altcoins are down really bad in the last 1 year. Bitcoin is down 67%, but Bitcoin is among the coins that didn't even go down well, because you can see we have a lot of coins that are down 72%, 91%. Some coins are even down 95% in the last 1 year. Is this the best time to start buying Bitcoin long term if you want to be profitable on a long term time frame? Guys, this indicator, the Puell Multiple, has been predicting the previous bottom of Bitcoin bear market. Will it be right this time? This is the indicator overview. The metric looks at the supply side of Bitcoin economics and Bitcoin miners and their revenue. It explores market cycle from a mining revenue perspective. Bitcoin miners are sometimes referred to as composite sellers due to their need to cover fixed cost of mining hardware in a market where price is extremely volatile. The revenue they generate can therefore influence price over time. The Puell Multiple is calculated by dividing the daily issuance value of Bitcoin in USD by the 365-day moving average of daily issuance value. And this is the Puell Multiple. This is the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. We have seen Bitcoin over the years go from as low as $1 to as high as $69,000. Should we start buying Bitcoin right now? Will Bitcoin ever see $100,000? The Puell Multiple, the first time it came to this green region was in 2011 November. So what was the price of Bitcoin doing there? Before we take a look at what Bitcoin was doing there, a simple representation of this chart, guys, is that anytime the Puell Multiple goes to this red region, you want to be selling your Bitcoin, and anytime it comes to this green region, you want to be accumulating more Bitcoin. So anytime you see the Puell Multiple go towards the red side, you want to be selling Bitcoin no matter the price Bitcoin is trading towards that time. It means Bitcoin is very, very valuable and you want to be selling it then. If it gets to the green region, that's when you want to be accumulating a lot of Bitcoin. It means if you buy some Bitcoin right now, in the future, you will be profitable when it goes back to the green region. Now, the first time it came to this region was on 11th of November 2011. Let's see what the Puell Multiple was doing there. You can see that it was hanging out at that region from the 20th of November 2011 till November 2011. If we take a look at what the Bitcoin US dollar price chart was doing in that same time frame, was that the bottom of that bear market? Guys, guess what? Bitcoin was bottoming out in November 2011. So when the Puell Multiple was flashing, you need to get some Bitcoin. That would have been a good time to buy Bitcoin if you want to be profitable in the long term. This was the first time the Puell Multiple was telling us to buy Bitcoin in 2011. And guys, guess what? That would have been a very good decision, because if you bought Bitcoin around that price range, Bitcoin was trading around $2. We saw Bitcoin rally into the future, going up to as high as $279, and you know the rest of the story. Bitcoin even got to as high as $20,000. Buying Bitcoin in 2011 would have been a very, very wonderful opportunity. Now, maybe that was just a one-time thing. Let's look at when the Puell Multiple told us to sell Bitcoin in the first bull run that printed the red signal. We saw it print on the 14th of November 2014. So what was Bitcoin doing that time? From April 2013 to December 2013. What was the price of Bitcoin doing in that time frame? Guess what, guys? That was the best time to sell Bitcoin if you are getting ready to accumulate in the next bear market. From April 2013, we saw Bitcoin trading around $270. Remember, when the Puell Multiple first printed a buy signal, Bitcoin was trading around $2. If you are still selling when it first printed, you should sell some of your Bitcoin. That was in April 2013, guys. You'd have been selling those Bitcoins you bought for $2 around $250 to as high as $1,195. After that bull market, the Puell Multiple told us when next to buy Bitcoin, and the next time he told us to buy Bitcoin was on the 16th of January 2015. Was this a good time to buy Bitcoin? Let's take a look at what the price of Bitcoin was doing there. Guess what, guys? We were just in the bear market of 2015. That was when we started the bear market of 2015. This would have been another good buying opportunity for Bitcoin because we saw Bitcoin trading from around $150 to as high as $336. If you are buying Bitcoin right now in 2015, when this Puell Multiple told us to buy Bitcoin, you'd have been happy because why? We saw Bitcoin go from as low as that $300 to as high as $20,000. If you take a look at when the Puell Multiple told us to buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin was trading around $212. The next time the Puell Multiple told us to sell some Bitcoin was in December 2017. Guess what the price of Bitcoin was doing in December 2017? Let's take a look at what Bitcoin's price was doing then. Bitcoin's price was around $19,000, heading towards $20,000. So we have seen 4 different instances when the Puell Multiple has told us to buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin, and it has been accurate in those instances. It has predicted the top of the previous bull run and the bottom of the bear market for Bitcoin. So right now, is it printing? We should be buying some Bitcoin because even in the previous bear market in December 2018, the Puell Multiple told us to get some Bitcoin at this range when Bitcoin was trading around $3,200 to $3,800 range. If you follow the Puell Multiple and you got some Bitcoin when we got to that range, that was on the 27th of November 2018 to December 2018. Guys, that was also a good time to buy Bitcoin because this was the bottom of another Bitcoin bear market. And if you take a look at what the Puell Multiple was doing then, the value for the Puell Multiple came down to this green region, and that green region, anytime it comes there in the past, it has always proven to be the bear market bottom. Now we have 2 other times that the Puell Multiple got to that region that was not the bear market bottom, but this was good buying opportunities for Bitcoin. We saw it come back to that region in March 2020 and in July 2021. What was the price of Bitcoin doing then? Let me zoom out so that we can clearly see what Bitcoin was doing there. In March 2020, Bitcoin came down to as low as $4,100. This was another good buying opportunity. If you got some Bitcoin right here at $4,000, you got to ride it up to as high as $69,000. The other time it flashed that was not the bear market bottom was this mini bear market we had in 2021 when Bitcoin came to as low as 28,000. But guess what, guys? That was still another good buying opportunity. You got to write your investment up more than 100% from when the Puell Multiple printed a buy signal. Right now in the bear market of 2022, we are seeing the Puell Multiple flash the same signal it has flashed in the previous bear market. From the 17th of June 2022 to around where we are trading right now for Bitcoin has been a good buying opportunity according to the Puell Multiple, and you can see that from the 17th of June 2022, that was when Bitcoin got to that $17,600 region. It looks as if this is going to be the bear market bottom. If we're going by what the Puell Multiple has done in the past, we've seen that all the other times in the past where it has come to this green region has been a good buying opportunities for Bitcoin. And when it's come to this red region, that has been a good selling opportunity for Bitcoin. The last time we saw it head towards this red region was on the 14th of March 2021. Guess what, guys? If you have sold your Bitcoin on the 14th of March 2021, you would have bought all the Bitcoins you bought at these lower prices when the Puell Multiple was telling us to buy. You would have sold those Bitcoin above $60,000. So with this time be different right now, the Puell Multiple is telling us to get some Bitcoin if we want to be profitable in the future. Are you going to be buying some Bitcoin right now? Because guys, this indicator has been right in the past. Do you think this is the first time it's not going to be right? Or will you be buying more Bitcoin as the Puell Multiple has told us to do so that we're profitable in the future? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Right now, we're still deep in the bear market, even though we're seeing signs of life in the altcoin market and in Bitcoin. Are we going to head towards 30,000 anytime soon? Or are we waiting for lower prices before we start accumulating more Bitcoin in the bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
Bye.